So I'm on a walk in the countryside and everyone keeps stopping and honking at me. Literally why? It's just so strange.
Golden, yeah we're golden, baby girl we're golden. They about to see us shine cause we're golden. They can never break us down cause we're golden. They about to see us glow cause we're golden. Yeah we're golden, baby girl we're golden. They about to see us shine cause we're golden.
Time for a run. Wanna join?
Nice headlights.
Thanks.
Yeah, they're full beam.
Okay. Bye. I'm so confused. I'm a redhead. Of course I can't handle any temperature above 20 degrees. I'm a redhead. Of course I'm getting constantly compared to Lindsay Lohan. I'm a redhead. Of course when I'm ovulating, I go absolutely feral. I'm a redhead. Of course I love to be absolutely covered in sun cream. I'm a redhead. Of course the carpet matches the drapes. So this is just how big my eyes are naturally. The filter isn't making them look bigger or anything like that. This is just how big my eyes are naturally. So, yeah.
Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted again.